Welcome back to my science experiments. I got this science gift from my girlfriend Dia. Dia to do this experiment. Welcome, Dia. Hi there. We have water in 3 cups now. Do you know what are the primary colors? Yeah. Red, yellow, and blue. Look, we have primary color. Now let's put 6 drops of color in the cups. Let's keep the cup between over here. What happens, Dia? It's because of capillary action. The water is walking and it's going red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. No, there's no purple, see? Pretend!